What's up, guys? Caleb here from Srkcycles.com, and you're looking at a 2005. What is it, Lindsay?
Harley Davidson Road King.
Harley, she's learning. Harley Davidson Road King. This bad boy's got a 6-speed tranny. Check it. 6-speed transmission. Super pumped about this bike, guys. It's a classic, I believe. It's got these big old baggies. It's a little dirty. It's got some duct tape around this turn signal. Not a big deal. It's got some big old fat Davidson designs. This is in great shape there, guys. I love this color. The tank's in great shape. I got a couple, I don't know, those are just bugs. Like the reservoir down there is a little bit beat up. You see that? All in all, this bike's in good shape. Front fender's in good shape. It's got the chrome lowers. It's got a big old windshield. This tank's in good shape. Scuff right there. Scuff right there. A couple little scuffs along the edge there. The seat is in great shape. Top of the tank. This is usually all beat up, and this one's actually super shiny and nice. I love it. This thing has got 31,762 miles on it, which is nothing for these bikes. I mean, listen to this thing just fire up right away. There we go. Ben?
Nice bike.
Guys, this bike is in great shape. Like I said, 2005 Harley Davidson Road King. Needs a little bit of cleaning love. Like I showed you, a couple of things here and there. Not a huge deal, guys. There's nothing majorly wrong with it. If you really want a back turn signal, I'm sure they're super cheap. I don't even know why that duct tape's on there. It seems pretty solid. It doesn't even seem like it's broken. Guys, you know, some scuffs on the bags. Not a huge deal. Pretty typical for these bikes. Guys, I love this Road King. I love the look of it. This thing's not going to last long. It's going to be killer price. Love me some white walls. Thanks a ton for watching, guys. Make sure to check out the test drive of this bike, as well as check out the Patreon page, as well as check out Bikes and Beards channel. Those videos are awesome. Put them up on the big screen. Send them to your mom, brother, sister, boyfriend, husband, wife, whatever. Thanks a ton for watching, guys. Have a good one.